So obviously it's cream, so we're gonna apply it on our face. I think it's not necessary anymore to tell you how to put cream on your face because we have our own ways to do it. So go girl, cover those spots. I've always wanted to make videos like this, but I didn't have time, and I'm not inspired to do it until now. So we're trying to do the 02 look. So we really have to put red eyeshadow because we can't be 02 without it. By the way, this is the shade. So this is how it looks like after putting the eyeshadow. So this shade for our fake eyelid so that our eyes would appear bigger. We need to achieve that tall look. So darker brown for this area to make it look real. How should I say that? To make it more legit. I don't know what I'm saying. So just blended this shade below that part. So just blend it. Now this is what it looks like after the shade. So we're done with the eyeshadow, and now for the nose line. We're not blessed with pointy nose, so we need to do this. Any shade of brown will do, and this is how we do it. Fake lashes. Your haircut seems so long. So this is what I do to make my eyes look big.
No frame, no fake. 지끈지끈거려. 오늘은 하늘색 사는 게 더 뻔해. 내가 갈 길은 내가 바꾸지. 먹이는 기회로 다 바꾸지. 굳이 오는 거리 보고 싶다면 이겼다. 외로워서 어떻게 미움마저 삼켰어.
And then dark brown shade for your eye bag. Fake eye bag. So you can put your doll eye. The one with bags on and the one without it. See the difference. Look at that. So in order to achieve the perfect wing, eyeliner, you have to study your eye shape. But you need to make it thick as possible because you're trying to copy an anime character. So this is how it looks like when it's done. And don't forget about this. So I'm just showing you how Oops, my cat is here. So we have a guest right now, my sister and this stray cat. I named her Pikachu because of her tail, just like Pikachu's. So as you can see, we're trying to achieve that outer lip and lower lip. I'm using a black eyeliner, a pencil type. So another dog. Don't forget the blush on. This is the most annoying part. So we're done. So I don't have that thing on. Rotu's head. Was that a horn? That was like a red horn. But I don't have it, sadly. So we're ready to catfish people. Just kidding.